today we're going to start in a laying down position. So bring your back down to the ground, hug your knees to the chest and start squeezing your knees. Keep your chin slightly tucked in to lengthen your neck muscles. Gently rock side to side. So from here, now we're going to start activating the core muscles, and for that we're going to use the bicycle crunches. So keep your knees directly on top of your hips, your low back flat, so keep the navel tucked in to start activating the core. From here, extend your left leg forward, slightly hovering over the ground, and bring your hands interlacing the fingers towards your neck. On the next inhale, lift your shoulder blades off the mat. With the exhale, left elbow to your right knee. Inhale, knees together, chest forward. Exhale, twist to the left and extend your right leg. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Center, left. Center, right. Center, left. Center, right. Center, left, center, right, center, left, last round, center, right, and center, left. Slowly bring your head down, your knees to the chest, squeeze your knees. You should be feeling your core already awaken. Let's gonna rock back and forth a couple of times. If you can, let's gonna roll straight into our table pose. So knees down, hands down, and readjust the position. So your hands wrists are directly under the shoulders, your knees under your hips. And from here, let's gonna go into a cat and cow, just to canter pose a little bit, the core workout, bringing your navel down towards the mat. Thinking about rolling the shoulders backwards and down, pushing through your hands. Keep the crease of the elbows towards each other. Sitting bones up. And now reverse, pushing through your hands, round the back, navel in. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, round the back. Inhale, belly down. Exhale, round the back. Inhale, belly down. Exhale, round the back. Into a neutral spine. So from here, what we're going to do is to prepare our upper back. So shoulders. Tuck the toes in, lift the hips up and backwards for downward facing dog. So downward facing dog, you want your hands shoulder distance, your feet hip width apart. Gripping the mat with your fingertips and press the base of the knuckles down. Hug your forearms towards each other, thinking about opening the shoulder blades and pushing through your hands. Lifting your sitting bones up and backwards whilst you're rooting through your heels. From here, what we're going to do is to bend the elbows, hugging your forearms in, elbows down to the ground. So elbows should stay shoulder distance and wrist aligned with your elbows. Dolphin Pauses. Start first by pushing through your elbows to keep your face away from the ground. From here, we're going to slide the torso forward. We're going into Forearm Plank. So extend your back legs a little bit, adjust your back legs. Keep your navel tucked in, your core active, your heels in line with the base of the toes. And now push through your elbows, lifting your hips up and backwards, Dolphin Pose. And exhale, slide forward, Forearm Plank. Inhale, lifting up. Exhale, Forearm Plank. 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 Up. Exhale, down. Up. Exhale, down. Two more. Up. Exhale, down. Last one. Up. and down. From here, where your right elbow is, you put your right hand, press to the right hand, and bring your left hand where your left elbow is. So we go into a plank position, and from here back into a forearm plank. So right elbow down, left one down. Push to the right hand, push to the left hand. Left forearm down, right one down. Push to the left hand, push to the right hand. And again, left forearm down, right one down. Push to the left hand, push to the right hand. Stop. Right one down, left one down. Push to the right, push to the left. Bring your knees down, slide forward, torso down. Bring your hands to the front of the mat, hand on top of hand, your forehead resting on your hands. Wiggle your hips a little bit. Now push through your hands and slide backwards, child's pose. Knees wide open, feet together, sit down on your heels, forehead down. Bring your hands towards your feet with your palm facing up to give your shoulders a little break. Now bring your hands down, lift the chest up. From here, let's gonna tuck the toes in and bring your knees up. So we end up in a Malasana or Yogi squat. So your heels are gonna be hip width apart or a little bit wider. And your feet are gonna follow the direction of your knees. Just make sure you're spreading the toes to activate your inner arch of your feet rather than collapsing your ankle inwards. So make sure you have a solid base. And now from here, bring your hands together to the heart, elbows inside your thighs, pushing your knees away from each other. Keep your chest open. And just start walking forward. Let's gonna go for sun salutation B, starting with the chair pose. So bend the knee, inhale, lifting the arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, walk backwards, shift forward, low plank. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Left foot 45 degrees, right one forward. Inhale, warrior one, look to the thumbs. Exhale, hands down, step backwards, low plank. Inhale, chest through. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left foot goes forward. Inhale, lifting up, warrior one. Exhale, hands down, step backwards, low plank. Inhale, chest through. Exhale, downward facing dog. Keep your knuckles down, gripping the mat. Opening the shoulder blades. Pushing through your hands. And rooting through your heels. Shift the weight towards the base of the toes. Bend your knees, gaze forward. Walk or maybe a little hop forward. Inhale, halfway up. Exhale, fold. Bending your legs, inhale, chair pose. And exhale, standing position, prayer to the chest. On the next inhale, lifting the left leg up. And with the exhale, slightly bending your right leg, step backwards with your left foot. And bring your left knee down. Bringing your hands inside your right foot. Bring your right foot pointing 45 degrees outwards, tucking your back toes in, left knee up and shift the weight towards the outer edge of your right foot. So allow your hips to sink a little bit down towards the ground, but keep your left knee pointing down to the floor so your left leg is still in neutral, chest forward. Now push through your hands slightly, opening the upper back, the space between your shoulder blades, and with the inhale back into chest forward, hips slow. Exhale, push, rounding slightly your upper back, and again, and down. Now from here, what we're gonna do is to bring your right hand up towards the ceiling, shift the weight towards the outer edge of your left foot, and pushing through your left hand, Swing your right leg behind your left one for wild thing pose. Open the chest up towards the ceiling, rotating through your left leg. And slowly right hand down to the ground, square your hips, downward facing dog. You can stay on your downward facing dog or go for Vinyasa flow. Inhale, sliding the torso forward. We're gonna go down slowly, counting to 5. Bend the elbows, 1, 2, 3, strong core, 4 and 5. Inhale, chest through, up dog. Exhale, hips up and backwards, downward facing dog. Now from here, step forward with your left foot inside your left hand, right knee down. Bringing your left hand inside your left foot, bringing your left foot 45 degrees outwards and shift the weight towards the outer edge of your left foot. Tucking your right toes in, right knee up. And the same as before, think about bringing your hips a little bit lower, your chest forward and up. And with the exhale, push through your hands, rounding your upper back. Inhale, chest forward and up. Exhale, push through your hands. Inhale, forward and up. Exhale, push. And last one. And push. From here, shift the weight towards the outer edge of your right foot. Left hand goes up. Use the core to swing your left leg backwards behind your right one. Open the chest to the ceiling for a wild thing pose. Slowly, left hand goes down. Square your hips, downward facing dog. Optional vinyasa. Inhale, sliding forward. Exhale, go down. Inhale for your back bend. Exhale, hips up and backwards, downward facing dog. We're moving towards the standing sequence. Inhale, right leg goes up. With the exhale, knee to nose, pushing through your hands, lifting your hips high. For a plank. Inhale, 3-leg dog. Exhale, knee to nose, root through your back toes, lifting. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. And up. Exhale, knee to nose. From here, bring your right foot inside your right hand. Inhale, arms up. And exhale, prayer to the chest. So in this high lunge position, just make sure you're rooting through your back leg. And we're gonna go towards our standing balance. Shift the weight forward and bring your left knee to the chest. So we're gonna first go for holding your big foot with your second and third finger, your right hand on the waist. If you cannot go for this option, you can always use a strap. Keeping your left hand inside your left leg. On the next inhale, extend your left leg forward. Square your shoulders, keep the navel tucked in, and your legs straight. For 1, 2. With the 3, bring your left leg pointing towards the left side of the mat. Look to the right. For 1, 2. If looking to the right is too much, just look forward. And 3, leg forward. And release for 1, 2, and 3. From here, bend the leg. Okay. Now we work on mobility. Inhale there. Exhale, knee to the side. Inhale forward. With the exhale, warrior 3. Torso forward. Left leg backwards. Remember, we keep your hips close here. Inhale, lifting up. Knee up. Exhale, knee to the side. Inhale, close. Exhale, warrior 3. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to side. Inhale forward. Exhale, warrior 3. From here, slightly bending your right leg, bringing your left foot down. Inhale, windmill open. And exhale, find your warrior 2. Left hand to your left thigh, right palm facing up. Inhale, reach up. And exhale, reverse the warrior. Inhale, arms parallel. With the exhale, bring your right hand inside your right foot. Left hand goes up. Inhale, back into warrior two. Use a block if you need to. Exhale, reverse the warrior. Right arm backwards. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, right hand down, left one up. One last time, up. Exhale, reverse the warrior. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, right hand down, left one up. From here, left hand behind your back. Hook your right thigh, the inside of your right thigh. Feel free to extend your right leg and bend. If your right leg is getting a little bit tired. We're reaching our peak pose. So now from here, what we're gonna do is to bring your right shoulder as close to your right knee as possible. Bring your right hand under the right thigh, hold your left wrist. Remember, you can use a strap if you cannot go for the bind. From here, bend your left leg, step forward to the front of the mat. So when you're in this position, shift the weight towards your left foot, rest on your right toes. So start squeezing your right leg against the right arm and use the power of your left leg to push and lift up. Keep your chest open. And if you can, work on extending that leg. As a modification, you can use the ball. So you're bringing the leg up, your hips are open. What you're doing is to bring your right shoulder towards your right knee and go for your bind. And slowly what you will do is to tiptoe and move your right foot away from the wall until you find your balance and stability. Don't worry if you cannot go for the extension. And slowly release. Okay, so we're gonna start and do exactly the same on the other side. Let's gonna go first for a vinyasa. Inhale, reach up to the ceiling, and exhale, fall forward. Inhale to a flat back. Exhale, hands down, walk backwards, low plank. Inhale, chest through. And exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg goes up. Exhale, knee to nose, strong core, push through your hands. Inhale, three-leg dog. Exhale, root through your back toes, push your hips high. Inhale up. Exhale, knee to nose. The last one up. Exhale, knee to nose and bring your left foot inside your left hand. Inhale, reaching up. And exhale, back into our high lunge. So this is kind of your resting pose or preparing for what is coming. Stretch your hip flexors here, rooting through your back toes. Inhale, shifting the way forward. Exhale, knee to chest. From here, second and third finger holding your right big toe, left hand to the waist. Inhale, extend. Exhale, square your shoulders. Hold it for 1, 2, and 3. Open to the side. Optional, look towards your left side. 1, 2, and 3. Inhale, leg forward. And exhale, release for 1, 2, and 3. Bend the leg. Let's gonna work on mobility. Inhale, open. Exhale, close. Inhale. Exhale, backwards. Inhale, lifting. Oopsie. Exhale to the side. Inhale, close. Exhale, warrior 3. Inhale up. Exhale, open. Inhale, close. Exhale, warrior 3. Inhale, up. Exhale, open. Inhale, close. And warrior 3, slightly bending your left leg, right foot goes down. Inhale, windmill open. And exhale, warrior 2 on your left side. reverse the warrior. Right hand goes down, left palm up. Inhale, reaching up, and exhale, reverse the warrior. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, left hand down inside your left foot. Right one goes up. Inhale, lifting. Exhale, reverse. Inhale, warrior two. Exhale, extended side angle. Left hand down, right one up, last one up. Reverse. Warrior two, inhale there. Exhale, left hand down from here. Our half bind. Your palm facing backwards, bending your right elbow, hooking the inside of your left thigh. Feel free to extend your left leg. You can use a block under your left hand and just play on extending and bending to give your left leg a little break. And now from here, what we're going to do is to bend the left elbow, bringing your left shoulder towards your left knee. Bring your left hand under your left thigh, hold your right wrist or use the strap. Bending your right leg, little hop forward, and getting ready for our bird of paradise. So first, rest on your left toes. Slightly bending your right leg, and now start pushing through your right leg, lifting the chest up. So your left leg is not really a dead weight that you're trying to lift through your arm, but everything is one. Think about like if it's a unit. And through pushing through your standing leg, your unit is lifting. And now the same as before, if you can extend, but doesn't matter if you cannot extend, just focus on opening the chest, opening the hips, working on your balance. And maybe you can stretch, maybe not, that's okay, just play a little bit. You can use the wall as well. And slowly back into our Tadasana prayer pose. And let's gonna go for the warm down. So, just gonna sit down. Bring your hands behind your back, bend your legs, bring your feet as wide as the mat, and let's just gonna bring your knees side to side. And now from here, just extend the legs down to the ground, and we're gonna go for our final pose, Shavasana. For the next few minutes, just try to stay focused on your breathing, just allowing the energies to settle down. Feel free to stay here for as long as you need to. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.